How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. So some of you guys have been asking, what is the best country or jurisdiction to choose for a VPN? Now, when choosing a VPN, the jurisdiction of the VPN provider can be an important consideration. This is because the laws and regulations of the jurisdiction in which a VPN is based can impact the privacy and security of your data. Now, some jurisdictions have strong privacy laws and are generally considered good choices for VPN providers. For example, countries in the European Union have strong privacy protections in place, as do countries like Switzerland and Canada. On the other hand, some jurisdictions have weaker privacy laws or are known for their surveillance practices, such as Turkey, China, Russia, and the UAE. Now, it's generally recommended to avoid VPNs based in these countries. Ultimately, the best jurisdiction for a VPN will depend on your specific needs and priorities, and if privacy is a top concern, you may want to choose a VPN based in a jurisdiction with strong privacy laws, such as the British Virgin Islands with ExpressVPN and Panama with NordVPN. Now, Surfshark is going to be based in the Netherlands, and while the Netherlands is still inside the 5, 9, and 14 eyes jurisdiction, it still has a good reputation for handling user data. The government of the Netherlands handles personal data with utmost care, according to the Netherlands Privacy Declaration, and they say that personal data is information that can be traced to an individual, such as names, postal addresses, and email addresses. But personal data is protected under the General Data Protection Regulation. But overall, in the Netherlands, government-mandated internet censorship is non-existent. Now, I've done a little bit of research, and some of the best countries for online privacy and user data protection include Switzerland, Iceland, Sweden, Panama, Romania, Malaysia, the British Virgin Islands, Spain, Gibraltar, and Seychelles. A lot of these countries are also considered to be tax havens. But if you're specifically looking for VPNs that are located in countries that respect online privacy, then here are some of the best VPNs that you can get. You've got Express, Nord, and Surfshark. I've tested over a couple of dozen VPNs and I've narrowed it down to these three as the best overall. They all vary in budgets and features, so pick and choose depending on your own situation, where you're looking for out of your VPN in terms of features, and your own specific needs, preferences, and budget. Now, if you're interested in learning a little bit more about these VPNs with regards to the privacy policy, speed streaming and torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features, you'll find the full reviews down below, as well as links to pricing and discounts. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.